We've opened the gateways and allowing the channel to come forth from the women's prayers, from the prayers of the women for their children, for their mothers, and for themselves and in their life path, their life walk. We're in the moment of utilizing the breath to consciously work with the dimensional aspects of our existence here. Temperatures fluctuating. Warm greetings, dear ones. Warm greetings, beloved human family. Feeling the radiance of your presence, of your beingness, of the life walks that you have chosen. It is an honor to reside here. Your times are closing, and yet they are opening. The endings have been working with you all, that you may reignite your light and reconnect your light to that which sits within you as truth, knowing, connection. So as you feel the endings, honor that you have lived to perceive. And so open to the new beginnings that are offered vibrationally upon your realm. Teach again yourself to bring the breath of light within to open the body soul that you may again feel the connection you have to all things, that you realize again that you are not separate, you are in connection in all ways with all things. Being a part of this creation as you have chosen to experience the existence in the way that it comes to your being, there, connected again in this moment, and the moment as a gift, and the moment as it is, in presence, in the present, is the reason why that the presence and the present has the empowered state as it does. And when this moment and this present and this presence can be realized, can be experienced, can be felt by that high being walking as materialized matter, that you are then the most of who you came here to be. As we depart your realm, depart the moment, now and here, we wish to say unto you, thank you. We wish to say unto you, you are not alone. And we wish to say unto you, feel the blessing that you are and that you bring. You are the vibration of love.